Good morning, guys. Well, here we are, Home Depot. I'll try to give you a pretty good detailed list of everything you need to build a nice rat rack. All right, well, let's get to it. Well, back from Home Depot. Here's the stuff I got. Here's some of the supplies you'll need. Some 2 by 25 half-inch squares, 2 by 4s, some construction screws or carpentry screws about 3 inches long, and the 9/16 staples if you choose to. And as you can see on the receipt, you can build a rat rack for around $100. Well, guys, let's get to it. Start putting it all together, and I'll try to film some of it as I'm going through. So here we go. What I do is I cut the 2 by 4s in half. You can use a skill saw, or you can have them cut them at Home Depot, or you can buy 2 by 2s. It's up to you. I cut them myself. I just buy a bunch of 2 by 4s and just cut them myself. These are some of the tools you could use. I use a square and a pen. Well, once you got them ripped in half, let me swing around and show you. Right here you can see I've ripped them down to 2 by 2s. You'll need a tape measure, a square, and something to scribe on them the dimensions you want. I cut my long pieces at 36 1/4 inches and the shorter ones at 24 inches. The same size as the concrete tub itself. And I put them into a square shape here, picture frame style, and I set the screen on there so you can see that it's 2 foot wide by 36 1/4. And then for the next step, you're going to want to put your screws. It usually comes with a tip. I have a hard time seeing out here in the sun. I'll step back and you can see I'm going to screw it this way and get it together and put the whole thing together, and then we'll come back. Then you grab your stapler, you staple your screen on, make sure it's square, and you're just about set. Got the rest of the screens here, the frames over there. When we come back, they'll all be done. Next thing I do is I mark out. I went 12 inches right in here, 12 inches, and then 16, 16, 16, and 7 1/4. That's how I'm going to cut it. But once you get that, you take these pieces, set them across, and set them across just like that. You measure it 2 foot, 2 foot, and you end up with this. Just a little standard little frame. From there, we'll go to show you the next. Here comes the fun part. Getting these 2 things to stand up. And then you just want some spacers. I got 1/2 inch plywood right there. And I'm just going to set these right here. I got 1/2 inch spacers, but you need to put the tub in there and then really space your screen up on top of the tub. You'll see at the end. Then you simply slide the screen down in there with your spacers in there, because that's where your tub is going to slide. So you want to make sure they're snug, they're tight, they're good. You want to make sure this is lined up right there, flush with the outside. All right, let me get to it. I'll be right back. Once you got your bottom one in, you put your top one in. Then it's pretty sturdy and pretty basic. I'll show you in a sec. I come back. Well, there's the basic frame. Looks a little crooked, but the ground ain't level. So, what I'm going to do is put the last couple legs pieces in here for the slides. Slide the tubs in, and I'll show you guys. And here we go. You can see, let me step back. You see the basic frame, 4 levels, 4 tubs. Let me get the tubs in there real fast. And there it is. The finished thing. The one thing I didn't do was stick the tubs in and stick the spacer in. So I just spaced it with my finger a little bit and re-screwed the top part in. It was real easy. So as you can see, 4 tubs. And you can have 4 different colonies going and producing tons and tons of your own mice and rats, or whatever you want to get going in it. Thanks for watching. Take care. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the building of the rat rack. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Hit the thumbs up. And I'll probably see you on the Genetic Hunters 6:30 thing. Take care, everybody. Hopefully see you Sunday. Bye.